Hi everyone, welcome back to Best Laid Plans. Today I have a plan with me video for the week of my birthday. My birthday is the 27th of April, so I'm a Taurus, yay. And I had, if you remember a while back, I did a little mini haul and I got this kit from DEK Designs. It is the Lilac Woods foiled kit and has this beautiful like silver holographic foil. And it has a lot of elements from Peter S. Beagle's The Last Unicorn. And if you're not familiar with that, it is a very famous children's book that was made into a very, very famous animated film. It's very beloved, certainly one of my favorites. So I just felt like this would be perfect for my birthday week. So I'm not going to be using the full kit because it's huge. I'll probably divide the kit between my classic size and then my mini that I use for social media. So it looks like this. We've got some washi here. We've got flags and checklist boxes, the whole 9 yards. We have even more washi, and here are the date covers as well. We have full boxes and habit trackers. And then we have some like alternate boxes, and we have our full days of the year. I'm probably not going to use these, so I will probably save those and I can use them in another spread. Same thing with these. I'm probably going to use some of these maybe in my mini because I don't think I'm going to be using all of them. And then we have some header boxes and these pretty glitter boxes that work really well as headers as well, kind of divide up sections. So that is everything in the kit. Pretty big kit. And I am going to start with full boxes, but before I do, I have some washi I wanted to show you. I just realized this is not the right one because this has mermaids on it. This is from the Mermaid collection, and it is the newest collection that Simply Gilded released. And it's got purple, blue, silver, and then these are hearts. I have not even opened these yet because they're that new, but I feel like they're going to work really well with the colors in this particular kit. And I'm just kind of excited to get to try them out. There's also this scallop washi that has this kind of iridescent glitter on it as well. I'm not sure if I'm going to use that, but for sure I know I wanted to have the starfall and the hearts. So that's what I'm using, and we'll go ahead and get started. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the full boxes for this kit, and I am going to be putting them, for the most part, there's 8. I like to use these at the top and then have everything broken down underneath. That's usually what I would do when I had my line vertical layout. So it's just kind of a habit. But I thought that this would look really, really cute for my birthday. So I'm probably going to just like save this one and then we will put it somewhere in here. But all the rest will go ahead and get started. I am going to start with these on here, and I think move these over to this section so it kind of shows the progression of the story. Not huge book spoilers, but the Last Unicorn, she is turned into a human woman at some point. So that is what that represents. So let's go ahead and we'll start putting down full boxes. All right, we're done with the full boxes. I'm going to save this. I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to lay it down on the 27th, but I want to save it for that. And these are, just FYI, they're not sized for Happy Planner. They're sized for like Erin Condren. And I probably didn't lay them down super straight, but that's fine. Oh, I can't believe this holo is so freaking pretty. Look, that is shiny. My inner magpie is very pleased. But as you can see, it doesn't cover everything. We still have a little bit left on the side and the tops. So that is where washi is going to come in. And I think at the top here, I'm going to use this iridescent one. Sorry, not iridescent. This is like hollow hearts. So let me find where this begins and ends. Again, this is brand new washi. Here we go. So I want to put this right here. Yay. Okay, so we have that done, and I had to put music and stuff over because while I am filming this, I don't know what's going on. There was like car alarms going off and like people, like it's all good. Just loud. So apologies for that. Now I want to add my date covers. And I like to add these. I find that it's a little bit easier if you add these going this way, like just starting with the last date on a page and moving backward, if that makes sense. This is so sparkly and magical, and it really does give me those last unicorn vibes. If you have seen, I think probably most people are more familiar with the movie than the book, but if you've seen the animated movie, just the magic of it is so just surreal and beautiful. The music is like, it's a folk band called America that does all the songs, the really famous Last Unicorn song, and it's just really magical and wonderful, and felt like I needed to bring some of that into April, because April has actually been a pretty crazy month for me. It might be my birthday month, but it's also a really crazy month. So now I'm going to save those, and then let's see, now that I've got those in place, let me go to my checklist boxes and start kind of getting some of that together. I'm going to use this big habit tracker that has the holo with the dates of the week on it, and I'm going to put that here and use that for my exercise tracker. And then we have this page here, and I'm going to start kind of getting checklist boxes ready. And I'm just leaving some room before and after because I want to be able to add headers and like some of the glitter boxes and things like that. So there are all the checklist boxes. I do have some larger boxes to put in next that are like call outs for important dates. However, I am going to not write everything in because some of the things that I have to write in for this are like appointments and things that I keep in my work calendar that I'll be transferring into this, and those are confidential. So I won't be writing those in, but I do want to leave a space for those and other important things so that when I'm ready to write those in that I can. So now I'm going to look at our bigger boxes, and these are not glitter, these are just plain. I have an important thing happening Wednesday. Wednesday is going to be the last day of the semester where I work, and that is important for a couple different reasons. A lot of deadlines associated with that, so I want to make sure that I've got that there. And then let's take this sticker now that we have all of that, and I'm going to put this here. And all right, happy birthday here. That's my birthday. So that looks good. And then Friday is a payday. I'm gonna put that there. So that really is everything. I have a little bit of room here to do my weekend banner like I like to do it, which is to take all of these little flags and put them together. So I'm gonna do that. And there's our little weekend banner. So as you can see with DEK Designs kits, you do get a lot of coordinating stickers when you get the kit. So usually I can make their kits last quite a long time. And this is definitely not going to be an exception to that rule. So now that we have most of these places just kind of laid down and I've got boxes where I'm going to write things, let me see how I want to do the rest of all of these. I have some icons for things during the week to plug in, and I also want to add my little header boxes over things, so that is probably what's going to happen next. Now I'm just going in and I am adding some of the decorative washi that came with the kit as like a little barrier, if so to speak, between the different vertical boxes. Now let's go in and we will be adding this pretty starfall washi on the bottom. And instead of having the stars fall down, I'm going to go ahead and have them be this way, kind of to frame everything in. So the last of the major stickers that I want to add to this, besides like icons and just functional stuff, is these little boxes that have, they're like headers, they have a little scalloped edge. And I am going to use these on top of the dates so that we have plenty of room for just writing, and it fills up these little gaps that were left. So I recently bought these functional stickers from Prism Cherry. They're just text, and I'm going to use the April one here for the date. So I just feel like this works a lot better. It'll look much nicer. And then I also have these journal stickers, and I am going to put that here. And also on Thursday. I usually journal about 3 days of the week, so let me go ahead and pull another one and put it in the beginning. And then I have this book and tea sticker, and I want to add that here. Actually, hold on. I'm gonna add this sticker, this little icon sticker I'm gonna add over here. And then I'll add this here because I like to write what I am watching and reading. And if you're wondering what I'm watching and reading, I am starting Throne of Glass by Sarah J. Maas. I finished the entire Avatar series. And then what I am watching is actually a Chinese drama. It's a like fantasy, ancient Chinese drama called The Starry Love I had previously been watching one called Love Between Fairy and Devil, which is on Netflix. I'm watching this one that I'm watching now on Rakuten Viki. And I'm obsessed. I have a friend who's also like a colleague, and we just mass consume these Chinese like fantasy romance things, and I'm gonna tell you, like, they are good. I really enjoy them. If you like really big fantasy with all of the fun tropes and like just fun characters you get to follow along, I cannot recommend watching some of these Chinese dramas enough. I know we're doing a spread on Last Unicorn, and this is just kind of a side note, but that's what I'm going to be writing here. But I really do really love them, and they're just kind of my like guilty pleasure these days, besides just, you know, reading. So I am just gonna put that out there. So that is all of the stickers now, and this spread is done. This is all I want to do to it, and I mean, it's pretty done. There's a lot on here. But I feel like it definitely captures the spirit of The Last Unicorn. Wait, I'm missing one thing. One thing that's very important, and it is in my like special happy planner stash. I'll be right back. So you might have remembered, if you've seen some of my previous plan with me's, that I keep mentioning a happy planner collection called Wonder Seeker. And I was able to get some of the stickers that came out with it, and I have been saving the Last Unicorn sticker. And I cannot think of a more fitting place to put it than in the spread. So that's what we're going to do. And then I'm going to take this sticker that says Make a Wish, and I'm going to put it here on where my little birthday is. Now I can say that this spread is officially done. I am so pleased with how it turned out. It's got my favorite jewel tone colors in it, and it is just so beautiful. I absolutely loved this kit and getting to use it for this week. This is going to be a busy week for me, and it's also just a really, you know, important week since it's my birthday week, and I just wanted it to be special, and it feels so special with this beautiful unicorn kit, and I am glad I got to use my Wonder Seeker sticker as well. So that is the last video for this month. I will be back next Wednesday in May with a new video. So please like, comment, subscribe if you'd like to see more content. I release videos every Wednesday, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye!